Hey, are you ready for some hunting on the Tommy Wilcox Show?
Tommy Wilcox Outdoors is brought to you by Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money. Louisiana Farmers Warehouse. Go by and see my good friend Darryl Foray pick you up a Mahindra tractor or one of his top leading mowers. Tuscaloosa Toyota. One price, one place. Glencoe Equipment. If you're in the Gonzales, Louisiana area, go by and see my good friend Todd Jervy. He has multiple tractors to pick from, as does mowers. Top Shot Deer and Turkey Mix by Faithway Alliance. Ortec Tractor and Equipment in Nauvoo, Alabama. Greg can handle all your tractor needs of any brand, along with some of the finest mowers in the industry. Nelson Glass for all your contract and residential glass needs. Music courtesy of country icon Hank Williams Jr. Hey folks, welcome to Tommy Wilcox Outdoors. We're back again from Three Lakes Trophy Ranch in Wisconsin. We're with my good friend Jan Alsager at Three Lakes Trophy Ranch, and these guys do a great job. We try to come up here every year because the amount of deer and the hospitality we get is unmatched. Jan does such a great job. This week we've got Bubba Dickinson of Nelson Glass hunting, and then we got Derek Moody. And first up, I want to show you Derek's hunt, because a big old heavy deer came out, and it was right close to dark, and he made like a 270-yard shot. I mean, just a great shot. And so Derek, I know he's proud of it, as we are proud of it for capturing the moment. But here's Derek Moody's hunt at Three Lakes Trophy Ranch, and here's Derek Moody. Take a look. Hey folks, welcome to Tommy Wilcox Outdoors. We're up here in Three Lakes, Wisconsin with my good friend Jan Alsager at Three Lakes Trophy Ranch. I got Derek Moody with me from Demopolis. Derek, welcome to the show, man.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Tell our viewers a little bit about what you do.
Well, I'm in the manufactured housing business, Moody Properties. We're in Centerville and Demopolis. Been in business for, I guess, about 35 years.
Well, and you seen where I was coming up here, and you wanted to make a trip up here to Wisconsin, huh?
Yeah, I've never been up this way, and just wanted a chance to at a nice deer, and you told me they had them, so that's the reason I wanted to come.
Well, talking about deer, we want to show you these sheds, man.
Yeah.
This is a mainframe 8, and it's got a few kickers on it. And they got they found the sheds off of this deer, and Jan was telling me about it this summer, and I said, man, I like heavy 8s, but I didn't know it was gonna be this heavy. He said he'd probably score in the 180s and 190s, and I was thinking, dang. So anyway, we came up here, and Derek seen the size of these suckers and was looking at it, and Jan was telling him, and he said, well, man, I'd like a shot at him if you, and Jan said, well, let's go sit in the lodge field for a day or two and see if we can get him to come out. This deer's been hunted for 3 years, and nobody's killed him or seen him except on game cameras. So as luck would have it, let's tell them a little bit about your hunt. Y'all were hunting in the lodge field?
Yeah, we had several smaller bucks and does and yearlings come out, and they fed around, some right in front of us, some of them about 300 yards. They were just working back and forth, eating a lot of the alfalfa. Man, they love that stuff up here. And we finally saw a buck. It was getting low light, and we saw a buck at the end, and Jan put his binoculars on it, and he goes, that's our deer. And I said, are you sure? He goes, I'm sure. And he fed out for a little while, and then he went behind these cedars, and he stayed there forever. We're afraid he was going to stay back there. and eat, and then another buck went in there, and he followed him out and broadside, and I made about a 260-yard shot, and he dropped in his tracks.
Yeah. Let me say this, that it was raining, not a heavy rain, but a nice misty rain, real low light conditions. So as you're looking at the footage, I mean, from a environmental standpoint with cameras, it wasn't the best photogenic deer, but you can see the size of the deer, and you could see the horns on his head to know that he was a big, mature. How old did Jan say he was?
I think he says 6 years old, maybe 7.
6, 7 years old. Well, you put the smack down on him. When he dropped, he didn't move, man.
He didn't move. I was shooting a 300 Weatherby, and he couldn't take that.
Nah.
He went straight down.
And he weighed 302 pounds.
Yeah, it was.
On waiting.
There was no ground shrinkage whenever Jan and I walked up to it. And Jan says usually there's a little bit, but even he admitted there wasn't any on this deer.
Heavy. I mean, that is a heavy deer. Weighed 302 pounds. Made a great shot at low light, rain, and dropped him in his tracks. And I'm glad we were able to get it on film.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you get a chance to get a deer of a lifetime, man. I mean, this is. This is a deer of a lifetime.
You can't even reach around. This is, of course, last year's shed, and of course he's bigger this year, but he's still got the same mass, and you can't even reach around that. And so, yeah, I appreciate the opportunity and the invite to come up here, and I look forward to coming back again.
If there's a new mower in your future, you really need to visit the folks at Artec Tractor in Jasper. With brands like Bobcat, Cub Cadet, Gravely, Spartan, and Toro, they can help you find the mower to fit your needs. They also have a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook, or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Faithway Alliance has been blending Top Shot deer and turkey mix since 2009 in Gunnersville, Alabama. Top Shot plot mixes provide deer and turkeys a high quality, nutritional forage for both winter and spring months. All Top Shot blends are coated with Accelagro to promote healthy seed growth and increase your crop yields. Please contact your local ag retailer or call Faithway Alliance for all your Top Shot needs.
Moundville Feed and Seed prides themselves in putting their customers first. They carry a complete line of wildlife products and feed and seed. They offer bulk and bagged fertilizers, as well as bulk and bagged feeds. Their prices are always competitive, and the service is suited to meet the demands of their customers. They offer custom spreading, grain drill, and buggy rentals. And when it comes to having the best fields around, they are the wildlife specialist.
Come see us at Moundville Feed and Seed in downtown Moundville.
Hey, this is Hank Williams Jr. I can skin a buck, I can run a trot line. When you go to the woods, bring your game face.
Game Face Calls. To find out more about these new and exciting products, go to GameFaceCalls.com, TommyWilcox.com, or check your local retailer. Hey folks, welcome to Tommy Wilcox Outdoors. We're up at my friend's place up here in Wisconsin, Jan Alsager, 3 Lakes Trophy Ranch. Got Bubba Dickinson with me from Nelson Glass. Bubba's been coming up here for a few years with me, and every year, the first hunt kills a nice deer. We don't want to mess that up.
We need to keep the streak going, don't we?
Bubba's got a ridge named after him. It used to be Waddell Ridge because Waddell shot some deer off of it. They named it Waddell Ridge. Bubba came in 3 for 3. It's now named Bubba's Ridge. And I want to know what you're fixing to shoot today. Do you know?
Well,
you have a clue?
Tommy, I've seen some pictures. I don't put a lot of weight in them because I just like to see what happens. It's all in the film and see how it happens, and you know, I'll make it happen sooner or later.
Show them what you're hunting with.
Got me a little old 10-point Vapor. Put the smack down on him.
Every time he comes up here, never brings a rifle. He's always got that old crossbow with him. Well, Bub, good luck today. Nelson Glass, is y'all still rocking and rolling?
Man, we're rocking and rolling. We're blessed, so blessed to be able to come up here and share our time with everybody and fellowship. It's just a great place.
Nelson Glass out of Birmingham. Y'all check them out. And you might want to check out, see what Bubba's able to pull off today. Good luck, man.
Thank you, Tommy.
All right, man. Good luck.
All right.
Hey folks, Tommy Wilcox here. I'm with Jan Alsega, Three Lakes Trophy Ranch. Good to be back up here, Jan, hunting with you.
I'm glad to have you back up here. It's been a few years.
Yeah.
But
we had COVID and some other problems. You getting back in the country after you went to try and get a passport.
Yeah, that kind of set us back a year, but we're back in the full swing, and it was kind of nice giving the deer a break for a year.
Yeah.
It's proven that it was effective in the trophies that we've been hunting.
Well, we got a good group of guys this year, and hopefully we'll take some real nice ones. Y'all got everything planted, ready to go. All we got to do is show up, right?
Yeah, we planted a lot more food plots this year with a more variety of stuff to carry them through the year, but we've just had a really good fawn crop the past few years, so we've got some phenomenal 2- and 3-year-olds that are just exceptional. So
if somebody's wanting to come up here after they see the show, we'll put the number up, but if you want to give it to them right now, go ahead.
Yeah, just give us a call at the lodge at 715-546-8289, and we'll do our best to get you hooked up for a date.
All right, man, let's take these boys out and try to get a few hunts on camera.
Sounds good. Let's go do it.
All right, man.
Big buck down. Thank you, Lord. Deer on top of us.
Deer.
That's a nice deer. 3 Lakes. Don't get no better than this, Jan.
Could have done him last night.
We could have done him last night. Yes, sir. Drop time. He just got all kind of stuff on him.
Yeah, every deer is unique.
Every deer is unique. That's gonna look good on the wall.
It's gonna look good
good on the wall. Oh, man.
Wouldn't it be nice if you could feel this good about your money, even after you grow up? You can with Alabama Credit Union. We offer easy, everyday banking and great rates on loans for real life. Plus, we help make the community stronger through initiatives like secret meals for hungry children. Because we're not just here to help with money matters. We're here for the things that matter to you. Alabama Credit Union. Feel good about your money.
Looking for complete and cost-effective container solutions? Container Reconditioners LLC is the best in the business. We are a full-service container management and supply company, specializing in metal, plastic, drums, and IBCs. We service Florida, Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, and Tennessee. All our containers are sterilized and sanitized and leak tested at 200 degrees for 7 minutes. Not to mention, we have a $5 million pollution product liability insurance cover. We guarantee you quality and great service.
Over the past decade, car shopping has changed more than anyone would have imagined. That's why with our customers' input, Tuscaloosa Toyota developed One Price, One Place. How does it work? We give you our lowest price first. It's posted in the window of every car or just 2 clicks away at TuscaloosaToyota.com. It's the simplest, most hassle-free way to buy. One price, one place, only at Tuscaloosa Toyota and TuscaloosaToyota.com.
For over 20 years, people have trusted Artec Tractor for their tractor or construction equipment needs. With brands like Bobcat, Mahindra, and Massey Ferguson, Artec Tractor can help you find the right solution for your farm or the job site. Artec Tractor has a full parts and service department with factory-trained technicians to support you after the sale. Located on Highway 5 just north of Jasper, on Facebook or at artectractor.com. Experience, selection, and friendly service are the reason customers keep coming back to Artec Tractor.
Thanks to the sponsors that make it possible for us to bring the joy of the outdoors to those who need it most. All of our special guests, from those with cancer to our wounded warriors, benefit from the generosity of these sponsors. And we encourage you to support the businesses that champion this important work. Congratulations, Bubba, on another fabulous 3 Lakes Trophy giant with a crossbow, man. I know you were excited. You always go into that fit like, man, you're having a epileptic fit or something, man. I tell you, just can't control your nerves, man, after you shoot. And but man, that sure makes for some great deer footage. But I want to thank you, Bubba. I want to thank Derek Moody. I want to thank Jan Alsager for another 3 Lakes Trophy Ranch hunt. Folks, if you're looking for a place, if it's big deer's on your bucket list, give Jan Alsager a call at the number below and go up there and see him. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. All right, hope to see you here next week on Tommy Wilcox Outdoors.
Gassed up, loaded down, trucking on from town to town. Guns, bows, and a tackle box. Here come Tommy Wilcox. Hitting the water, hitting the woods. That Bama boy sure got it good. Always having too much fun. Lordy, don't y'all